Yeah.
Which should all be allowed each.
Yeah.
Gosh, thanks guys for coming down.
Yeah.
It's a good one, this one. Good story, this one. Really good story.
It's so unfair.
Yeah, it has.
It's absolutely disgusting. People have no idea. Oh, you've really? I mean, it's just carrying out orders. I'm just doing what I'm told.
£1,000 worth of money just wasted on it. I think she should go live, yeah. I think she should go live. Good, I think you should.
Is that the copper?
It's Amazon.
It's an Amazon. Oh, yeah.
It's alright, Jen.
These are the chops. For the record, everyone, they're not letting her in the court, and they haven't given her the name of the judge. I think so, yeah.
They're a lot better, aren't they?
Yeah.
They are good.
Just a cash cow.
128 gig memory.
Yeah.
You should do like maybe a little live.
I am. Dad, can you get me a Duracell? It's in my bag.
They've gone off already.
I'm on 20%. I only charged it to 40 this morning.
Big one or small?
Small one. With the charger.
Go on, share it for you.
Thanks. You can't do it with the thing. I know.
All right. Yeah.
This is what they've been doing all the way through.
Do you have WhatsApp?
No, I don't. I just have the usual teenage social media.
You've got all the Twitter and all that.
Yeah.
You'll
I don't
have to
use
make me a
Facebook.
mock on your thing, yeah, when I'm at home.
Yes. Thanks.
Yeah, that does help. It really does. As many as possible. Don't only American.
That's what Dad does on Telegram. Yeah. Just hack the channel, hack the thing. That's what my dad's been doing all through it. Just going into like Tyrant's camera and saying subscribe and stuff like that.
Have you got the chat up there?
Yeah,
If I comment,
you can see it here.
log me, I think.
The Streamlabs always freezes on me though at the end.
I was extremely.
Yeah. All the streamers do, there's just a better connection. And because I had to use it when I wasn't, because you can only stream at 1,000. So.
Oh, yeah. So you're not on 1,000 yet?
No, I am. It's just like, it's easier doing Streamlabs as well for me. Like, because I'm already used to it.
Yeah, you monetise now.
No, not yet. You have to have 4,000 watch hours. I'm at 2.5 thousand. Almost there. Yeah.
Yeah, do you mind me share? I was going to share that video yesterday.
I don't mind. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah?
There's a couple of ones. I've not really done any. I've more done some mirrored stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, one of them's done really well. Norfolk. That's got like 30,000 views.
Oh, that's good.
That one's
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, obviously, like, credit you. No, well, that's what we do.
I know it's the amount of time, isn't it? Everyone will get what they need, you know?
Yeah.
Have you got any mods in your group?
Yeah, but they're not joined yet. I have Divine.
Yeah, she's
Also, I can't remember her name. Rex is another one.
Leah M, she's good.
I don't think she's been on my show.
Yeah, I'll get her.
I don't know. Yeah. My bag. Front pocket. I've got it. I've got both of them. I want mine.
Excuse me. Can I just ask what's the interest? Why is everyone gathered around that?
She's in court for a £10,000 fine for organising a protest that she didn't do last year on the 24th of September in Norwich. And the case was brought back up. So I'm studying to be a journalist, trying to be a journalist, so I'm just recording because it all kicked off because they're not letting her in the court or giving her the magistrates name or anything. Dad, on the phone. I've used yours, but you know. Sorry, you can Yeah, it's fine. Don't worry. I'll move it behind her.
People turned up here, then they did Tyrant's one, didn't they?
Yeah, I think so. I think Tyrant was just alone on his. I think more journalists was at Tyrant's.
Yeah.
But like, there's not really any in Norfolk. Yeah. Sean did as well. Delivering Willoughby.
What do you think of that bus tax?
Funny. They go out for trouble, don't they?
He's getting a lot of trouble as well, isn't he? I will. Following them.
You just dropped a load of gum.
All my gum.
Does the sound come out like on that?
Sorry?
Does the sound come out like?
Pretty good. I do have a microphone, but because actually I think I just got it at home. But I do have a microphone for it as well for when it's like really loud. I just left it at home this time. Yeah. It's only like a small one, like it's just like that big.
Shotgun one, yeah.
Yeah.
I thought about like with the protest one, have a big one, you know.
Yeah. What like how the like massive journalists are. Oh, like Buckley. So like I don't want to make it too heavy for me.
It's a bit slow, isn't it?
Hmm?
Just there in emergency, please slow.
Yeah.
He said that so everyone can come out of there, but everyone just went in.
Yeah. Everyone just got more annoyed. That's what it always happens when they say important.
Draw a line, defend nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, the Brummy's on.
Yeah. I know Dad said hello. Hi Brummy.
I'm going to go in, I think, and just take the two people in.
Yeah.
State my case.
Finally.
Guys, listen, I'm just going to go and take two people in and get the magistrates name.
Hi Tyron.
Oh, there we go.
Okay.
Police are here.
I was stand back a bit.
Yeah.
He's only on his own.
Oh, maybe not then. No, it's fine. I want to get it in cab. You didn't.
Is that Keeley?
Good luck, Keeley. Are they actually for us or not?
Hello, you alright?
Alright.
Oh. Yeah, Dad.
Where is
He's got the blue line. That, I think that stands for unity. Though. I've looked it up, but I don't know.
Defacing the
It is
British
still the
flag.
face.
It's still defacing of the British flag.
Yeah. I get live free down here. Get grids down here. There's another cop behind us. I can see him in the window.
Nothing to be gapped from. 676. What's your
1445.
1445.
Everyone's just getting back on.
We have a lawful right to ask any police constable to show their warrant card. In the absence of a warrant card, a police constable has got no jurisdiction over any of us. The only reason that we give our jurisdiction to these people is because they are public servants. Public servants should be acting under the law. So it's our lawful right to ask somebody dressed as a police constable to prove who they are. If they cannot prove that they're a police constable, they have zero jurisdiction over any matter. There is a difference between a police constable who maintains the peace, makes sure that there is no breaches of the law, and a policy officer who are basically a tax collector for a fraudulent government. The government is fraudulent, they have no jurisdiction over us unless it's the consent that we give them. And today we're here to see justice is served for somebody who has been exercising their inalienable human rights to freedom of speech, freedom of assembly and freedom of movement. And the court is trying to thwart that action, and so are the police. So I urge you to go away and learn what your unalienable rights are under the law of this country.
I'd like to add to this as well. The Human Rights Act, let's go way above that, guys. We have ancient ancestral right to petition the monarch if we believe we are being governed unjustly, and that is what position we are in now. We are lawful beings, we stand under the divine creator, and we do not have dominion laid upon us by any man. We do not cause harm. So we are here for the claims to be proven by the claimant, not the prosecutor of the government, because the government are there to protect the people. We, the people, require access to this building today to hear a public and fair trial, and we are being denied that right by officers who refuse to show their warrant card of what authority they stand.
Arrest them!
So we will wait to see if lawful remedy is given.
Arrest them!
We are being told that we cannot exercise our unalienable rights because of legislation that's been brought out by this government subsequent to the Coronavirus Act of 2020. The Coronavirus Act gives them extended powers over us. These powers can only be given in the event of an emergency, like a health emergency. And sadly, although they've not been able to prove that there is an isolated virus called corona, they have been able to send out excessive, disproportionate powers over us, the people. They believe that they've got the right to take away our freedoms because we voted them in. But what we're seeing is actually that the government are only able to govern us without consent, because the government are a corporation, they're a business like John Lewis's. They have terms and conditions that when we vote them in, we give them consent to govern. They have no consent to govern us unless we tell them that we can. And that's been okay. But recently, since March 2020, this government has taken away our basic rights to spend time with our families at Christmas, to open our businesses, to speak to one another and to go about our daily work.
Well, Labour.
It's both two sides. sides of the same corrupt bird, I'm afraid. Neither political party is going to bring about change, and if you believe you live in a democracy because you can put a cross in a box to vote for one of those two parties, I'm afraid, sir, you're misguided. Democracy is when the people rule. However, we're not in a position for the people to rule anymore because it's the governments, the courts and the police who are completely controlling the narrative. Because you good people are not aware of your unalienable rights to justice.
Look up the Bill of Rights, 1688. They supersede any government power that you do not consent to. You have unalienable rights given to you by the Creator. Accept them, worship them, and live for them. Please.
Hey, resistance. Thank you, Brummy. Hi, Pauline. Keeley, she's from Norwich, but she was arrested on the 24th of September for organising protests she didn't do. No, she is in the white. For freedom, anti-lockdown. Yeah.
Supposed to be organising.
Thanks.
You are part of it? You are about it? Can you explain? What's it?
She didn't wear a mask.
Yeah, I haven't been in the court with my camera, but everyone else has argued their points. But Keeley's only allowed in with two people properly in the court. And she was supposed to go in at 12, and it's now almost 1.
Wasting police time. That's another one.
Hi, Scott. We've had 3 police cars put up.
Playing right awkward.
People of the children to go up with me.
We are going to be requiring a trial by jury and for the claimant to prove the claims. So the court itself doesn't have the authority to deal with this matter, so we will be down shortly. Thank you for the support.
Good luck, Keeley.
Yeah, all the best.
Other one.
Oh, you're right.
Yeah.
Not the face in the van. Support for charity. Hello, hello,
That's
hello,
not
everyone.
the Union Jack. Oh no, that for sure.
Come to arrested.
It's not Union Jack.
Black blue line one. Gang member.
It's full black with a blue line in the middle of it. It's not the Union Jack. I think it's all about equality or something, but they shouldn't face the Union Jack sort of thing.
Well, it's actually illegal for them to wear.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the facing of the British flag.
Illegal and unlawful
Yeah.
on both levels.
Yeah.
So on matrix law and in common law, that's completely.
down here.
No, just go in.
Make sure I have the same line.
You can steal some of mine for my other thing.
Yeah, I tried to, but I've got no data to go on.
Brilliant.
It's charity.
You don't wear something randomly for charity. There's only set days for wearing stuff.
Yeah, it's defacing the police flag,
Yeah.
as far as I'm concerned, in my opinion.
Yeah, she's gone in, but I think. Yeah.
Which alleged criminal is being tried today?
All at once.
Is there a lady called Keeley Baker? She went out and broke COVID regulations.
She's facing a 10 grand
She's been
fine.
arrested for that. No, it's a court case facing a 10 grand fine.
Ridiculous.
Isn't it, Charles?
This is absolutely ridiculous. This COVID.
They've all got defaced badges on, a lot of them.
Overdone, you know.
Gang members.
It's been completely overdone.
Yeah.
I don't deny it exists. It's been completely overdone, you know.
The court case was dropped, but they reopened it. It was dropped. This is a court case from the 24th of September 2020. Yeah, they reopened it.
Why?
Because they had to do it for something. Because she preaches too much. Yeah. Because she speaks at Norwich, and she always gets arrested.
Trying to break COVID is just ridiculous. That's ridiculous. That is.
Yeah.
They're literally drivers on I have to say, it's years ago.
Yeah.
You've been drinking all night, mate. You're drinking. You're arrested for again. What's they arrested for? Not COVID, you see?
Yeah. It was organising a protest, which she actually didn't do, but she was called an organiser of a protest in Norwich on the 24th of September. She was arrested for it. Yeah, she's gone into the court now. It's for organising a protest on the 24th of September 2020, 10 grand fine.
What for?
Organising a protest of like more than 6 weeks during when it was really bad. But she actually didn't organise the protest, that's what it's for. But she actually didn't do anything. Yeah, I know. I hope she doesn't say it.
She's coming back,
Yeah. I don't know when she's going to be out, but she has to like plead her case and everything, plead not guilty. I don't know how long it's going to be because it's taken her an hour to even get in it. I really just agree with that.
COVID business and completely gone out of hand.
Here.
It's like journalism, because this girl called Keeley, she was arrested on the 24th of September.
How am I supposed to hear what you're saying with that mask?
She didn't actually do, and she's up against a 10 grand fine for
What's the protest about?
It was freedom, like anti-lockdown, anti-COVID.
Oh no, don't get involved in this freedom thing. You know,
I go to the protest and I'm impartial.
you know who's running it?
I'm totally
Extreme
impartial.
right-wing American people. You do realise that the one in London was organised by a chap called Gary Rakes, who has resurrected the British Union of Fascists. They're not running it. You don't want to get involved in that.
I am involved.
Well, you're not anti-Jewish, are you?
No. But I'm involved with the protest.
Why would you understand that question?
The protest is organised by Nazis.
Why would you ask that question?
It is, I tell you. Gary Rakes, you look it up, Gary Rakes, who runs the British Union of Fascists, has been revived.
I'm not doubting anything you just said, but why would you ask me if she was anti-Semitic? That's very random.
Yeah.
Because fascists...
Very random.
Are you racist?
Are you racist?
Of course
Are you
not.
sexist? Are you Asian?
So why would you ask a
Are you
random
vegan?
person?
Because Gary Rakes runs the British Union of Fascists,
Well, I'll
which
look into
is
that
Nazi.
this evening. We will look into that this evening.
It is. He's a Holocaust denier, and he is the organiser of that protest. If a citizen can't see justice done, why am I barred? I'm entitled to see justice done. I'm a citizen.
Yeah, I don't know why he just randomly started digging me for going to a protest and being involved in this. But oh well.
That's on live stream. Norwich. Are you from Norwich? Was you at the party? Yeah. It was quite a lot of people there, wasn't there? Yeah, because James from Jab or something. Norfolk and Jab or something like that. So it's good. It's good. Good on you, mate.
Oh, thank you. In all fairness.
You can sit on any corner.
We can go to the gallery, can't we? This is because he's really annoyed that they're running for obtaining protest. This is because he's really annoyed that they're arrested from COVID regulations. He's really annoyed with it.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, he doesn't agree with it.
That's all about it.
Yeah.
I like your shorts and all.
Yeah. That just means whoever needs to go into court anyway.
Country's going down a pan so quick, isn't it?
Yeah.
Free fall, isn't it? Totally, it's just...
Yeah, the country isn't free for the moment. There's no one sticking their head above the parapet either. It's just everyone's happy.
Everybody was trying to. Look how and Richard.
Is Richard's not here yet?
He's
Richard's not here.
You weren't.
We got to go. Yeah, we got to go back to Swindon. We got to go in the car.
Oh, there was 4 people not in the same household, so someone was saying about that. It's just crazy.
Yeah, Rick was in the car with me. Yeah, it was me, Rick, and this and 2 boys. And we actually was leaving
So he's really annoyed that Keeley's been arrested for breaking COVID regulations a year ago, and the court case was reopened. So that's what this is about. I thought he'd already gone, but apparently not.
Your own car, right?
We got all of it. Goes for the whole hour.
It's just crazy, your own car, your own risk, your own house.
And so it's that dangerous, right? So they split us up and they sent the other 2, the boy and Rick, to get us out.
They've now locked the door and not letting him in.
They go and climb in the meat wagon. Yeah. And the way they spoke to us, we felt like it was embarrassing to watch, really, but it was something we had to go through. So,
Yeah.
Well, when you look at that video, it's just really nice. It's just
They weren't sort of swing for them, you know.
oh, really nice. So that's the trouble, so you get so angry, don't you? And,
That is hard when you know you're wrong. Yeah, I do. They're really reactive in that situation.
really want to
With
we've been living a lie.
Total lie, yeah.
Yeah, right, take a blue pill if you must again, no really.
But you couldn't go back.
can't.
It's been
I've been sacked from the job. I worked at shop fixing and I refused to do the maintenance. It went on for quite a while and I officially got sacked over
So guys, I'm going to leave this running now. I'm not sure when Keeley will be out. But I'm going to leave the camera running just facing the door unless we move anywhere. But we will be very close.
I bet they're loving this.
Yeah.
Ready for the winter.
Are you trying to help me? Oh, I'm not doing that.
Yeah.
If she does that, nice to have a
Yeah, nice.
Yeah,
It's difficult getting a parent sometimes. I've got 3 boys. They've been drip feeding us for years.
Really?
I'm so lucky.
Yeah.
So lucky. It sort of makes sense.
Hi guys, we've just literally got up to outside the courtroom and been told that it's gone ahead in my absence. So while we were at the door here and we were being restricted access to the courtroom, which is restricting access to justice, there has been another misadministration of justice in my absence in these so-called lawful courts. So the fine is £1,750, but this now instigates the ACRO fine for the £10,000 fine that was issued on the 24th of September. This now convicts me to be able to have that enforceable. So they've given me an appeal form, but I've also got the judge's name, and these people are not going to identify themselves because they was the ones restricting access to justice. The police wouldn't identify themselves, so I will be putting the judge on notice, appealing this because it's absolutely ridiculous. We know we have unalienable rights. I have not caused any harm, loss or injury to another human being. We are under the Creator to be able to express our consciousness, our conscience in any way we see fit, as long as we don't hurt anybody. And that's what we are doing. We are questioning the narrative, we are questioning the lies, because the future depends on it, guys. It depends on it. So these courts need to be open for a public decision, a public hearing. And on that note, I'm going to leave it. But thanks for coming today. I'm sorry it's been like a bit of a waste of time. I had so much. I can't even get my words out there at the moment. But I was really excited about today for having the judge assist me in these matters to be able to clarify the claimant's proof of claim, because there's no proof that COVID-19 exists. There's no proof that it's uniquely harmful. There is no proof that it's transmissible, and until they can prove that, then all the actions that stem from these arrests are unlawful. You know, we need to stand up in our right, and that's what we've been doing, and we have been persecuted for it. Now this just goes to show what we're up against. I thought I was going to be able to get through this and get my day in court and have a fair and public hearing, but it seems in these modern days, 2021, it's the last thing we're ever going to get. I think someone else is trying to get access to the car. Thank you.
China, you know.
Thank you. Well done, Keeley.
China. Wait a minute.
We are in China.
It's called Citizen Sid on YouTube.
Citizen Sid.
Yeah.
On
SYD.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it on the UK Freedom Alliance.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, of course.
All right.
Thank you so much.
And I'll have a look, and if you're doing anything around the common law or anything like that.
Yeah. Oh, I think there's going to be a lot around Keeley at the moment. So, but I'm also going to a protest on Saturday.
Okay.
Going to live stream that.
Yeah. Well, where's that going to be?
London. It's going to be one of the bigger ones, I think.
On Saturday.
Sorry?
On Saturday.
Yeah. There's one Saturday and Monday, but the Monday one's going to kick off, I think. So we're not going to go to that one.
didn't even know there was one Saturday, and I helped organise it.
Yeah.
Now I'm aiming for the 28th.
Yeah.
Run at it! Run at it!
Have you
Run at it!
guys got plans then, or?
No? No, I don't think so. I think Cheers.
Man wants in.
I know.
Here we go.
Shouldn't have told him anything. How have they called the police on Keeley but not him?
Well, while the police were here, causing all that shit inside the
Yeah.
foyer, they were hearing the case without in her absence. They wouldn't let her in the courtyard, they were hearing that, and when the police left, that was over.
Yeah.
So it's miscarriage of justice there.
I told him how you were, because he asked what was happening.
You might get that window smashed in a minute.
And he got really mad. I know. I'm not getting involved.
The good thing is, you haven't had something.
You might get smashed in this window in a minute. He's getting in the metal.
What's going on?
Well, he's annoyed with a court case that just happened. So my friend Keeley, she was arrested last year. Thanks. She was arrested last year for breaking code regulations, organising a protest, but she actually didn't organise it in Norwich.
Oh yeah.
But the court case was opened up again. She's on a £10,000 fine for it, so she's fighting that. But he asked me what happened. I told him, and now he's very annoyed with it. And I refuse to get involved because I don't want to get repercussions. Thanks. You too.
And I really thought I was going to get victory. I had a really good defence. I emailed the defence in this morning, so they've read it, and this is probably the tactics they use again. You remember when they muzzled me? They were trying to make me wear a mask to go in because the evidence was so bad against them. You can't win in these courts. You cannot win, no matter what. It's just getting tiring now, but you know, it's got to be done. It really has.
At the time.
But at least this is done now. I can now put my cane back in on here. It's just hold my This guy. What is he doing?
He's been like that since you went in. He's been trying to get in, but they locked the doors on him.
It's the police wouldn't even identify themselves, you know?
Yeah, one of them did for us, so we've got one of them did for us, I think. So we got that.
I see one of them did, but the other ones were there and not identifying themselves, knowing damn well the case was going on while I was down here. They were restricting me from going in. That's been on
Yeah.
all the time.
Wait, so have they now put it down as you weren't in the court? So you might get arrested from home again.
To attend again.
Yeah. Brilliant. Yeah, we have got proof.
I had proof last time, didn't I?
Yeah.
I just thought I'd make it back to see what's going on.
They know what power's coming to it. That's it. They know I know I'm right. They know they've got nothing.
So, do they think they've finished or?
This one's done, yeah. So I'm going to appeal it and put the judge on notice.
That's what was happening.
I'm sorry guys, but that guy at the door is actually quite funny. He's just staring into the window.
That's 4,000 cameras down there anyway.
You said about getting off the whip. You got off the train. And they're all waiting there. Get a couple.
I was allowed them to talk something completely different and my mum for a few weeks ago before they left. Yeah, no mask. I admit that was at Norwich. Me and mum don't wear masks.
Yeah, there's a protest this Saturday, and then there's one on Monday, which we've been told it specifically says don't bring your kids to that one. So we're going to go on the Saturday one. They're both in London. I'm not sure where, but they're going to probably be announced closer to the date.
Good luck with it.
Thank you, Brummy.
find it really
Pass through the car and not everything.
Yeah, I think so, Anthony. I'd assume so. There's only one post about the Saturday protest. It's on Telegram. I'll put it up as a post, maybe.
Yeah, she hasn't got an email now. One time, if you went against
Instagram's the best way to go.
Me?
I was going
Yeah.
You haven't got a Gmail on there.
No, I'm Citizen Sid on Instagram as well. I've got Instagram for it.
You've got a Gmail.
I don't have a business one. I literally forged an email for this one because I have two accounts. So yeah, I might. Yeah. Yeah.
Worry about the text.
She should be alright. Okay, you're the 16th.
Yeah.
That's right. Should be alright.
Okay, so for everyone who's just joining in, Keeley, the police was called on Keeley because they wouldn't allow her in the court, and then they did allow her an hour afterwards. So she was supposed to be in at 12. She went in at 1 because they wouldn't let her in, and then when she turned up, they said they'd had the meeting without her. So effectively, she's marked as not present in the court.
He is actually that sit in that building.
So we don't know what's going to happen now, but she can't do it.
The early days. Yeah, they were fun ones, they were. Like around trees in the middle of the corner and shit. Like there's walking around a tree.
It was never going to come to it.
Think you might be going? Hi Sasha. I'm just going to leave it set up. Oh yeah, it's afternoon now. This is all going to be so fun.
All been through it though, haven't we? Yeah, let's look at some people.
There's a park around the corner there, only because that's where I'll park the other side of it. Park that way.
My yard is at Magistrates.
We're all going to the pub now, guys. So I don't know if anyone else is live. I think Live Free might be live. But thank you everyone for watching. I'm going to leave this live stream up. Hopefully it doesn't give me a strike, but I'm going to leave the live stream up. You can just scroll through to where Keeley is. At the start of it is where the police were involved. So yeah, thank you all for watching.